Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new knife for 2023, and this is the Benchmade Bailout in aluminum, and the part number is 537GY-03. So inspired by and built for tactical situations, the Bailout is an ultra-light but strong knife. This makes a great tool to have in safety service industry. It has a diamond texture and anodized 6061-T1 aluminum handle. It also includes a CPM M4 steel Tanto blade, which measures 3.38 inches long. And the closed length is going to be 4.69 inches. And the overall open length is 8 inches long. So the blade also features a low profile colorway in tungsten gray Cerakote finish with a black handle, and it includes a glass breaking tool on the end. I do think the coloring is really cool on this. Obviously, if you're going to be using a knife like this in a bad situation, the color doesn't matter, but that tungsten just adds a nice little touch to the knife. So these cost $270 with free shipping. That's at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. Like this video because that is free to do, easy to do, and that helps us out tremendously. By subscribing, you get to know when we get the newest products in, especially with the 2024 SHOT Show just around the corner in January. So thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.